everyone. My name is Muyiwa Adedayo. I am a lecturer. I am also an educational neuroscientist. Today's topic is how to remember what you read. Okay, three science-backed tips. Let me repeat it again. How to remember what you read. Three science-backed tips that everywhere one gets to students, learners, pupils want to improve their academic performances. That everyone, wants to be the best in his or her class. And today I have three kind of tactics, three techniques that if you are able to integrate them, in the course of your academic journeys, will end up making you becoming the best in your class. You'll be among the toppers, if not the top. And what are those three techniques that are science backed? I've listened, I've watched videos, I've read books, I've read blogs, that talk about various types of learning techniques. But based on the data that I've gathered, in fact, recently I listened to Professor Barbara Oakley. She's one of the leading experts, in the field of learning and memory. Okay, she's a neuroscientist. Okay, and in that video, she too actually made reference, to one of these techniques. So the first technique has to do with what I call active recall. Active recall has been proven that studies upon studies have shown that active recall or practice retrieval is one of the foremost kind of learning technique that any individual, any student can use, to skyrocket their performance. The reason is this, that when you practice active recall, that is trying to, after reading, you pick up your pen, and your jotter, and you start, you close the book, or if you're reading, or maybe on a kind of on an iPad, you make sure that you switch it off. Then you try to do what, to think deeply and put down whatever you can recall. Then after that, when you're through, you open the pad or the textbook to see your areas of strength, and those areas that you discover that you did not do well, you just need to actually study it again. If you can put this into practice and incorporate it, you will definitely become a topper in your school, in your class, etc. Then the second one, has to do with active learning. Active learning has to do with the fact that whenever you are reading, whenever you're studying, I would advise you to always pause, and ask yourself, the five W and H questions. What is this topic about? Okay, who wrote the textbook, or why did the author, or why did the actress, or why did the writer okay say this, how and when. When you keep asking this question, it means that you are actively involved, engaged in whatever you are reading or studying at that moment. And if you do this, you discover that there is an organ in our brains. It is called the hippocampus. And in this hippocampus, okay there are some dedicated and populations of neurons referred to as concept neurons. So when we practice this active learning, they would do what they are going to make the concept neurons become active, and whatever information that we come across, those concept neurons will do what they will store it for, or they will encode it, and during text or during exams, they will do what, they will bring the data or information straight to our consciousness, so that we'll be able to really write the correct answer down, if or just to if it is a kind of an OBJ question, we'll be able to tick the right answer. So that is for the active learning. Then the third one has to do with what is called the Feynman formula, or the Feynman technique. This has to do with the fact that it was a kind of an idea that Richard Feynman, he was though he's late now, he was formerly a physicist and a Nobel laureate. Okay, he said that there's a need for you to understand a topic well enough to be able to teach it to a little child. So by extension, what you need to do is this. If you want to really improve your grade, make sure that you read. Okay, after studying, please go out and share whatever you've actually read with your friends, with your study buddies. Or if you are that introvert kind of a person, you can use what I call the mirror and mock model. Okay, the mirror or the mock model has to do with the fact that in your study you can even stand before the mirror and start teaching it. Okay, teaching it. Okay, you act as if you have a kind of an audience before you, and you start explaining it. As you do this, you discover that your level, your rate of understanding of that topic or of that subject is going to really snowball. So thank you so much for your time and for the fact that you've listened to this video to this moment. I have a bonus for you. I've written my sixth book titled Top Secret for Acing All Exams. Please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to drop a comment and add your email. I will do what I will send you the book. Thank you, and I see you in the next video.